Hi everybody, greetings from Switzerland. I'm Zimmermann covering the European utilities. I just wanted to briefly highlight why we think it's a good time for US investors to look at European utilities. Let me point out three reasons here. The first one is really the strong earnings visibility. These companies have a pretty strong and long pipeline for renewable capacity additions and also for grid investments, which has really improved their earnings visibility. The companies are now guiding all the way out to 2028, and also the consensus has a CAGR of 6.6% until 2028. The second point is valuation. European utilities are still not expensive, even after the share price gains that we saw last year. The MSCI Europe Utilities has gained 27% last year in 25, and it's still trading only at an 8.6 times EV/EBITDA, which is just above its long-term average historically, and also compares very favorably to US utilities at 12 times EV/EBITDA. And the last point I want to make is dollar weakness. That is in particular interesting for US-based investors. As I said earlier, European utilities gained 27% last year. In euro terms, that's in US dollar terms, 44%. Obviously, that point applies to all equities in general, but I want to highlight here in particular for European utilities. And then finally, let me point out the three utility top picks for 2026 here in Europe. The first one is RWE in Germany, the second is EDP in Portugal, and the third one is ENGIE in France. Thanks for listening.